Users, contrary to Section 53(1) of the Traffic Act, the 2nd day of June this year at about 8 along Kamiti Road at Mirema Junction, Nairobi County, being the driver of motor vehicle KDJ 207P, Nissan Note, you did allow the vehicle to remain on the road in a manner likely to obstruct or cause inconvenience to other road users by making a U-turn on the road. Is that true or not true? Before you take your plea, I will give you the penal notice in this one. The penal implication of Section 102 of the Traffic Act says that for the offense of 2 of the Traffic Act, on the 2nd day of June this year at about 8 along Kamiti Road, Mirema Junction, Nairobi County, driver of motor vehicle KDJ 207P, Nissan Note, you carried 5 passengers instead of 4 passengers, hence you had 1 excess passenger. Is that true or not true? Directives advised to be driven by Kasarani to Kasarani Police Station. On reaching Quickmart, you refused by pushing gear lever from drive to parking after being required to do so by Corporal Jacob Ogendo, a police officer in uniform. Is that true or not true?